Stop rushing so much. Stop stressing and worrying about the past and the future. Stop wasting your precious seconds on this earth by making everything about things you cannot change or control. Let go of the what ifs, could haves and should haves, and accept everything for what is. Sometimes you really need to remind yourself that you only get this one life, this one chance to live your life to the fullest. So let it all go. Take some deep breaths and listen to your heartbeat. Be present, be mindful, be right here, right now, because the now is all you have.